Marie Curie, a life of science and sacrifice. Marie Curie, a name synonymous with brilliance, perseverance, and groundbreaking discoveries, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. But behind her achievements lies a story of resilience, sacrifice, and an unrelenting passion for science. Marie Curie was born Maria Skłodowska on November 7, 1867, in Warsaw, Poland, which at the time was under Russian rule. She was the youngest of 5 children in a family of educators. Her father, a teacher of mathematics and physics, instilled in her a love for learning and science. Despite growing up in a politically oppressive environment, Maria excelled academically. However, as a woman, her opportunities were limited. Higher education for women was forbidden in Poland, but Maria found a way. She joined the Flying University, a secret institution where women could learn in defiance of Russian laws. In 1891, Maria moved to Paris to attend the prestigious Sorbonne University. It was here she adopted the name Marie. Life in Paris was challenging. She lived in near poverty, often skipping meals to afford her studies, but her dedication paid off. Marie earned degrees in physics and mathematics, ranking at the top of her class. It was in Paris that her path crossed with Pierre Curie, a physicist whose own work focused on crystallography and magnetism. Marie and Pierre married in 1895, forming not just a loving partnership, but a scientific one as well. The two shared a passion for research, often working side by side in their lab. Marie became fascinated with the work of Henri Becquerel, who had discovered that uranium emitted mysterious rays. Inspired, she began studying this phenomenon. Her experiments led to the groundbreaking discovery of radioactivity, a term she coined. In 1898, after painstaking experiments, Marie and Pierre isolated 2 new elements, polonium, named after Marie's homeland of Poland, and radium. Their research was revolutionary, providing insights into the structure of atoms and the nature of radiation. The couple's work earned widespread recognition, but not without challenges. Isolating radium was grueling, requiring tons of pitchblende ore to extract just a fraction of a gram. Yet, their perseverance paid off. In 1903, Marie and Pierre Curie, along with Henri Becquerel, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their research on radioactivity. Marie became the first woman to receive this prestigious honor. However, despite her achievements, Marie often faced discrimination as a woman in a male-dominated field. Many doubted her contributions, attributing her success solely to her husband. Tragedy struck in 1906 when Pierre Curie was killed in a street accident. Devastated, Marie found solace in her work. She took over Pierre's teaching position at the Sorbonne, becoming the university's first female professor. Marie continued her research, and in 1911, she received her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and her further work on their properties. Marie continued her research, and in 1911, she received her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and her further work on their properties. Marie continued her research, and in 1911, she received her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and her further work on their properties. When World War I broke out, Marie applied her scientific knowledge to the battlefield. She developed mobile X-ray units, known as little Curies, to help doctors locate shrapnel in wounded soldiers. Marie personally trained medical staff and even drove these units to the front lines, saving countless lives. Her contributions during the war earned her widespread admiration. Marie Curie's work laid the foundation for modern physics and chemistry. Her discoveries paved the way for advancements in medical treatments, including cancer therapy. But her relentless exposure to radiation took a toll. Marie died in 1934 from aplastic anemia, a condition linked to her prolonged exposure to radioactive materials. Her notebooks, still radioactive, serve as a testament to the risks she took for science. Marie Curie's legacy endures, not just as a scientist, but as a trailblazer who shattered barriers for women and reshaped our understanding of the universe. She once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood." Her life was a testament to that belief. Today we honor her courage, intellect, and enduring contributions to humanity. Marie Curie, a beacon of inspiration for generations to come.